Happy Labor Day, Valley. So before we get a closer look on the weather, let's get an update on the tropics because they're active once again, and there is a disturbance out in the Gulf that's causing us to have elevated rain chances. But let me go ahead and step out so you can get a closer look on what's happening out there. So right here are two areas of interest. They are both tropical waves. The first one is just off the coast of Africa, and it has a medium 40% chance of further development, and the second one has the same chances for these next couple days. Now these two areas are not really much of a concern right now because they're far away from the Rio Grande Valley, and a lot of things could happen within these next couple days. However, the third and last area of interest is right here in the Gulf of Mexico, and it has a low 10% chance of further development. Now that's just a low pressure system that's in that area, and we're not really expecting much development because it's so close to land, so it's not going to have enough room to become anything. But this is the reason why we are seeing rain and storms a little bit elevated for today and these next couple days. So let's go ahead and track it all out. So mostly dry conditions as of right now, but as we head toward the afternoon and early evening, that is when some showers and storms will start to filter in and become a little widespread. And then as we head into the overnight hours, some lingering showers and storms will be possible. So if you have a late night or an early morning, make sure to give yourself some extra time before heading out the door and pack the rain gear and keep it handy for these next couple days, because remember, rain chances will be sticking around. And then as we head into Tuesday afternoon and evening, we kind of do it all over again, and that's going to be the same setup for Wednesday and Thursday. It's not going to be until the end of the weekend and next work week where those rain chances start to taper off just a little. But this is actually really good news because it's going to help our temperatures not be that hot, and we'll have temperatures slightly below average for this time of year. So the high for Brownsville today is going to be 93, Wesco as well, Rio Grande City 90, and Aroma also, except for a few areas just along the coast, they'll only reach the upper 80s under partly to mostly cloudy skies. And the storms that will filter in are just general thunderstorms for the entire Rio Grande Valley, and that's according to the Storm Prediction Center's outlook all the way until Thursday. So we're not really concerned with the severe threat, but we could hear rumbles of thunder, see some lightning strikes, experience some gusty winds. So take those extra precautions just in case. And for rainfall totals, well, we're not really expecting a whole lot, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches accumulated within the next 7 days. Okay, but of course, localized higher totals could be possible. So we're talking about minor street flooding, some pondering out there. So just be careful and give yourself some extra time and drive a little bit on the slower end.